Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can stop receiving messages from some users or groups in the Instagram application without blocking them. Friends, please do not forget to put your likes, also write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. So, let us get into this topic with you. Open the Instagram app. Next, at the bottom, go to your profile, and then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the three bars to go to Settings and Privacy. And here, scroll down the menu a little bit until you find this section, which is called Messages and Replies to Stories. And now you'll need to navigate to it, and then go to Message Control. And as you can see, this is where you'll be able to control messages from your Instagram followers, for example. And if you don't want to receive messages from them, then click on the second option, Don't Receive Messages. You can do the same thing with all the other users on Instagram. Also disable messages from them. And the same thing is group chats, where you can also disable those messages as well, and you won't get any more direct messages. Friends, this is how you can stop receiving messages from users or from different groups in the Instagram app without blocking them. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please put your likes, comments, and see you soon.